Hi, I'm Susan McNear, and today I'm going to be discussing with you the importance and the need for life insurance. On February 7th of 2003, I received a call at my office that I never expected to get. My best friend Vicky's husband Louis had been murdered. Are we promised tomorrow? Do we have money set aside for our loved ones just in case of our untimely death? And have you ever thought about or even secured life insurance for yourself? At the end of my speech today, I would like my audience to answer those questions, and with the information I am providing, I hope to clarify some misconceptions regarding life insurance and allow my audience to make a more informed decision. I was working for American Family Insurance the day that I had gotten that call, and to be honest, that was the first and only life insurance claim that I had handled on my own. Before that day, I found it very difficult trying to propose or even discuss life insurance with any of our insureds. Life insurance is usually something that people don't want to discuss, and a lot of people will say it's the last thing on their mind, and it shouldn't be, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, I would like to discuss why people don't carry life insurance and the common misconceptions in regards to life insurance. Also, I'd like to discuss Social Security in our future. And thirdly, I'd like to discuss the fact that the longer that you wait to get life insurance, the more difficult it may be, and you may become ineligible. Once I'd experienced this loss of a very close individual in my life, I had changed my perception completely on life insurance. I hope to provide you with valuable information and statistics today so that you can make a clear, conscious decision on how important life insurance is for you and your family. Per Dahl, Anderson, and Gilbert in 2013, 70% of the United States households with children under the age of 18 say that within a few months they would have financial difficulty meeting their daily expenses. 4 out of 10 of those say that the financial impact would be immediate. The average household income is around $50,000 annually, and if a primary breadwinner were to have a $160,000 insurance policy, that is only covering 3 years of their annual salary and funeral costs. That would leave the surviving family with $833,000 of a shortage over the next 2 decades. That was per Hall in 2014. Why don't more people carry life insurance? Well, there's a lot of misconception in regards to the cost. Per Dahl, Anderson, and Gilbert in 2013, 83% of consumers think that life insurance is too expensive and believe it costs nearly 3 times the amount that it actually does. Consumers believe that a 20-year term policy for $250,000 would be about $400 per year, when in actuality, on a healthy 30-year-old, it would be roughly around $150 per year. A lot of people don't know a lot about life insurance. There are many different types of life insurance that are offered, and you'd need to speak to your insurance professional about those. A lot of other people believe that Social Security is going to be there if in the event of their death to provide for their family. And to be honest, Social Security in our future may not be as available as a lot of people think. Per Vance in 2013, Social Security expenditures have exceeded the non-interest income of its combined trust funds since 2010. In 2012, the deficit of non-interest income relative to the cost was $55 billion. The trustees project the deficit will average about $75 billion between 2013 and 2018. Per Bowden, no date, according to the 2013 annual report from the Social Security Board of Trustees, the financial status, without change, the combined Social Security trust funds will become depleted and unable to pay scheduled benefits in 2033. A common objective is that paying Social Security taxes entitles one to receive benefits, and this is not true. Social Security benefits are paid out of the U.S. Treasury. There is no contractual agreement to receive benefits. Ruled by the Supreme Court in 1937 and in 1960, Congress can make numerous changes regarding eligibility, increases in taxes, decreases in benefits, and more. Lastly, the older that you get, the more expensive it's going to be to secure life insurance coverage. And if you should happen to become ill in that time period, depending upon the circumstances and the illness, you may be completely ineligible. That would be up to the underwriting guidelines of the company that you choose. You may also think that you don't need it now, but in all reality you do. By securing a life insurance policy at a young and healthy age, you would be saving yourself a lot of money in the long run and avoiding the possibility of illness preventing you from securing it in the future. It's not a comfortable topic, but it's worth it to make sure that your loved ones don't face financial devastation as well as the emotional devastation of losing you. This is also Hall 2014. I hope you decide to take a step back and realize the importance of life insurance and how it impacts your family. It's not as expensive as people think, and it really does make a difference. The surviving family needs this if in the event of your untimely death. I am so grateful that my friends Vicki and Louie had secured their policy when they did. I know nothing's going to bring him back, but I also know that if she didn't have that insurance policy, she wouldn't have been able to provide for herself and survive the way that she did with her 2 children. Thank you.